Hi guys, so here we are. I didn't shoot anything like before coming here because I was in a hurry and I was late to come here. But welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. Here we are at 10-1 Racing for the dyno run, cammed 1.3. There are some issues, it's stalling randomly, so I'm gonna tell him ki just tune it like set the RPM about 1000 or 1500 and he'll tune it up. We'll get to know. Look at this man. We'll get to know how much it's putting, and they have already loaded the car up on the computer on their TV. As you all can see, look at here. It's all the it basically monitors how much power to put in on the wheels. It monitors that. That's it. Nothing much. They have loaded everything up, wiring and all, O2 sensor and shit. That's it. For the record, I'm mostly active on Instagram, so I shouldn't throw it. Forget it. So it's better if you all follow me on Instagram. Okay, link is in the description. Dyno Day is finally here. They are using the MD Mustang dynamometer. They just got the rear setup. Earlier they had the front only, so they just got the rear rollers. Hence we couldn't do the dyno. Otherwise, if they wouldn't, we had the front dynos, so we could have got the dyno setup already. Anyways, I'll keep you posted about it. Bye bye. So all set, did the tune and all, horsepower and all, and all ready to go home. What they've done is right now over here, they did the catch can ka jugaad. That's all we live, and need to get the AC work sorted, as he said. So let's see if he's given me a contact. So Chor Bazaar say they'll do it something. That's about it. Oh, look at this. Ew. Anyways, I'll go home, check, feel it, how it puts out the numbers, and let you know in the next video. This thing finally puts out about 110 on the crank, 111 on the crank. I don't care about the horsepower numbers actually, but like इतनी मेहनत की है तो कुछ तो मिलना चाहिए. Anyways, it drives good. It is quite fast now with this new tune. It will be much better, I believe. Nissan GTR over there. Dream, a big dream. Shouldn't I show? Anyways, if you like this video, this was a very short video, but I was in a hurry at the start. Like when I came here, I was already late. So, anyways, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram because I'm more active over there. Yeah. Bye bye. Take care. Peace out.